How to put song on Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now your home page appears. At the bottom you can find different icons. Tap on this plus icon. Now from here select the post that you want to post with the music. I'm gonna select this one. After you select it, tap on next given at the top right corner. Now from here you can add some filters or edit your picture, and then tap on next given at the top right corner. Now over here you will find this option of add music. Just tap on it. Now from here you can choose any of the music of your choice, or also you can tap on this search bar given at the top and search for the music of your choice. After song appears, you can just tap on it. Now by swiping on right and left, you can select the particular part of the music. Also you can tap over here and set the clip duration. You can set it up to 90 seconds. After you set the clip duration, tap on done given at the top right corner. And now you can just tap on share. Here you can see that I have easily put song in my Instagram post. This is how you put song on Instagram post. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.